excited?
Uh-huh.
Can you show me how excited you are? I'm so excited. Why are we excited? I'm so excited. I got a bird today. I didn't get a bird today. Hi everybody. I'm so excited.
Open it! Mine how?
Sure. Just don't get cut. Hey everybody. I'm so excited. Today, my first box of Thrive Life food arrived. I ordered the Business Builder Kit from the Thrive Life website. So I signed up under Big Family Homestead, or a vlogging family. I just wanted to try it out. I've been researching it since July, so that's July, August, September, October, like 4 or 5 months now. So I'm super excited to try it out. Why Thrive Life? Well, let's see. Okay, so I'm a heart mom. My kid has congenital heart defects, and well, I started NORWEX because I didn't want the harmful chemicals around my son, because his oxygen level is already low, so why would I want chemicals to make that even harder for him to breathe, you know? So that's why I started NORWEX. I did Optavia to lose weight, to get healthy. I don't sell Optavia, but I can hook you up with some awesome coaches if you're interested. So now what? So I'm always looking for something healthy now to be a better heart mom to my son, and I want him to eat healthy. I want my husband and I to eat healthy. And I think we might have found something with Thrive Life. It's simple. It's simple, clean food. That was my purpose for researching Thrive for so long and then finally signing up. I'm going to unbox my Business Builder Kit, so here we go. This is the larger box inside the box. What do we have? We have a simple plate, sweet and sour beef. Thank you, honey. We have a simple plate, Southwest style chicken quinoa. This is so weird. This is the freeze-dried chicken. Freeze-dried onion slices. Chopped chicken. Green chili peppers. Ooh, this can is slightly damaged.
Pepper.
Yep, red bell peppers. Velouté sauce, like the gravy sauce, I believe. Chopped onions. Chopped chicken. Celery. So that's that in the bigger box. Now to the smaller box. Strawberries. Pomegranate yogurt bites. What? Freeze-dried peas.
Chops.
Cups. Freeze-dried corn. What? It's so crazy. Can you say corn? freeze-dried pineapples. Oh, these are awesome. These look cool. This is chicken salad on the go. I think there's a couple of those. Chicken fajitas on the go. Pork pineapple.
Owie.
Pork pineapple on the go. More chicken salad, more pork, and more fajita. This is their signature spice blend, which is chef's choice. Okay, so now for the business side of things. You get an apron, super cute. You get a bunch of postcards, party invitations. Like Emmett said, cups. Ooh, some catalogs. Let me know if you want one. And then this is a Thrive guide. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then in this envelope is a bunch of paperwork. Yeah, there's like, if you want to be a consultant, information, it looks like a brochure about company. Quick reference sheet. Oh, that's magnetic. What? That's awesome.
Wow. Wow.
And just some order forms.
Mommy, do
So, pretty cool. I'm excited. Are you excited? Look. Okay, so I'm going to be doing videos of us tasting all this stuff and like cooking the meals and drumming on them. Okay, so stay tuned for videos of us tasting all this food. It could be awesome. It could be terrible. Okay, so there's a couple reasons why you might... There's a couple reasons why you might want to invest in some Thrive food. You could be a prepper, whatever kind of prepper. Some of this stuff is good for 25 years on the shelf without being opened. You could be like a natural disaster prepper, like, I don't know, winter's coming and you don't want to get, if you do get snowed in, it's okay. You can just eat out of your pantry. I like it because how many times do you buy like celery and you only use one stalk for like soup or something and you forget about the rest of it and you throw it away? With Thrive, you just use what you need, and it's like once it's opened, I think it's still good for like a year, which is awesome. Let's say you're a backpacker, you've seen those meals that you can get prepackaged in like the Mylar bags. Have you looked at how much sodium is in those? It's crazy. With the Thrive Life, the ingredient, this chicken, is chicken, just chicken. No extra anything. So you can make your own meals to go if you're camping or hiking or whatever, and it's so much better than the prepackaged stuff that you can get at like hiking stores and stuff. So I don't know. I think it's something I'm very intrigued with, and I like to find things that make my life simple, and just creative. Like, I don't really like to cook. I don't like to clean. That's kind of why NORWEX intrigued me, because I was like, oh, I can clean with water. I like that. So I'm hoping I can cook with just water. So you just rehydrate all this stuff with water, and then you just cook it and eat it. So we are going to be taste testing all of these items, and we're going to be cooking these, and I'm going to do YouTube videos, so stay tuned for more. We'll see if it's good. Great. If it's not, bummer, because this looks awesome. and weird. And I like awesome and weird, right?
Blum, 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 blum.
This is Heart Mom for Thrive Life. Thanks for watching.